What if I tell you the world wants India to rise but still depends on China? Sounds confusing, right? Because everywhere you hear, companies are leaving China and coming to India. But here is the truth, India is growing, but it is still not replacing China. Let's understand why. First, scale. China built its manufacturing power over 30 to 40 years. It has massive factories, huge ports, fast logistics, and supply chains that are deeply connected. Today, China produces around 30% of the world's manufacturing output. That's not easy to replace. Now look at India. India is growing fast. Government is pushing programs like Make in India, electronics, mobile production, even semiconductors are being planned. But scale takes time. Second, supply chains. In China, everything is connected. If you build a product, parts, materials, and workers are all available in one place. But in India, supply chains are still developing. Companies often need to import parts, which increases cost and time. Third, infrastructure. China invested heavily in roads, ports, railways. For decades, goods move fast, exports happen quickly. In India, infrastructure is improving, but speed and efficiency are still catching up. Fourth, policy and ease. Businesses want stability, clear rules, fast approvals, less complexity. India has improved a lot, but companies still face delays, regulatory challenges, and uncertainty. Now, here is something very important. Companies are not fully leaving China. They are following a strategy called China Plus One. They keep China and add India or other countries. So, India is not replacing China, it is becoming an alternative. Now, think about this. Why don't companies shift completely? Because China is still efficient, fast, and deeply connected, and moving everything is risky and expensive. But this is not the full story. India has advantages too: huge population, young workforce, growing domestic market, and strong tech talent. So, in the future, India can become a major manufacturing hub. But not overnight, it's a long game. So, the real question is India failing to replace China or building its own path at its own speed? And maybe the bigger question is, does India even need to replace China, or can it become powerful in a different way? What do you think? Will India replace China or grow differently? Comment below.